Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a quick memory device that helps me tell S3 patterns from S4 patterns, since we were talking about it in class today. And then I think someone also asked, in the S3 pattern, how do you tell which beat is the extra S3 beat? So this helps me with both of those. So first I've got an S3 pattern here. S1, S2, and then S3 is in red, so I'll just play that very quickly. S3's got sort of like a nice rhythm to it, versus S4. I'll play real quick here, and again, the extra beat, the S4 this time, is in red. And then here's your love dub. So I would argue less groovy than S3. So the memory device that I use is that this S3 pattern here, it lines up perfectly with the Pink Panther theme song. So I'll just play that really quick. It's just these hi-hats in the beginning. And then I'll play them over top of each other. And then if you're wondering, how do I tell which beat is the S3 beat, it's just the sound that is on the beat with the music. So if you can just remember that pattern from the beginning of the song, then there's your S3. So I hope this helps. Definitely helps me.